Come here.
Sir?
Come closer.
Sir?
Read the classwork I gave to you. Read it out.
Say names of animals.
In alphabetical order. Start from letter A.
Letter A.
Yes, any animal that starts with the letter A.
Ant.
Okay, that's good. Are you okay? What's making you happy? Animal that starts with letter B.
Letter B.
Yes.
Big ant.
What?
Big ant.
Chibike, you already mentioned ant. Which one is big ant?
Ant. That one is small ant. This one is big ant. Letter B.
Chibike, you are wrong. Let's move to the next one. Animal that starts with letter C.
C.
Yes.